Y'all, of course, it looks like a little pizza pie, but I felt like eating noodles, y'all. Y'all know me. Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Shay Shay. Thank you for tuning in. I know. Yeah, I don't even know what made y'all click this video. Maybe because I look like Tina Turner. Nonetheless, my Topo Chico just, they need to sponsor me because of love me some Topo Chico. And a little egg. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. We eating noodles and eggs. Period. This is the first time I did my eggs like runny. Usually I get them, I eat them runny like this, but it's been a while. And it's not even fully runny, it's like over medium. Eat it with a little bit of egg. Ooh. So anyway, so I was talking about how sometimes I just don't be want to record. And honestly, I be getting like, I guess, depressed. Because it don't be like, oh, I'm so depressed. But it just be like, damn, I don't feel like doing shit. Like, I get into this mode where I want to record. I have so much shit to talk about. I just don't feel like it. That's a big ass piece of string cheese. Honestly, I have a lot of kids, y'all. I got a lot of kids, and it can really weigh you down. Like, I really legit have 5 kids I deal with on a daily basis, and two that are 2 years old. Let me bite this. Ooh. No, that shit was real. Oh, Topo Chico. Topo Chico you saved my life. Excuse me. Excuse me. I don't even know what we just talking about because I was just that. Anyway, guys. I'm back. So yeah. I'm eating black bean noodles and the carbonara noodles. Sorry. I'm really all over the place. But yeah, so sometimes I don't feel like doing shit. Like, I didn't work out in like 2 weeks now. And it's really because I have a lot of kids. Going back to the main topic, like, I really be busy all the time. And it's like, I'm at this point where like, my man be trying to tell me, like, we were just having this conversation. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. I don't know how to accept that I am a mother first, and that's my biggest job, and then all my other jobs come after that. And I wanted to be where all my other entrepreneur jobs come first, and then I'm a mother. Like, I don't want to be known as just like, oh, she's a mom, or she's a stay-at-home mom. And it's like, yeah, I'm a stay-at-home mom, but I do a lot. And I think it's the stay-at-home mom category that I just can't accept, and I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know why. It's just, it's just a lot. I don't know. So that's why I be, you know, that's just a lot right now for me. Carbonara noodles are so freaking bomb. Wow. Seriously, whoa. Did y'all see that? That joint just dripping. So yeah, y'all, sorry I haven't been, you know, recording. Sometimes I get like that, and I'm pretty sure a lot of us get like that, and it's okay. It really is okay. But like I always say, if you get down, just don't stay down. Try to get up. So I'm trying to get up to try to get back on my schedule. I'm literally down to all my packets of noodles. This was my last. I had 3. I had these 2 and then my fire noodles, and then after that, I don't have no more noodles. So I'm not gonna order no more. I'm not gonna buy no more. Even though y'all know I love this spice. So, I do have something to talk about though. Someone asked me a question and said, she needs help with something. Hold on. It's something about carbonated water and spice. Ooh, excuse me. The water like fights some of the spice, but then in the end, the spiciness comes back like, yeah, right. Okay, so back to the question. So she said she needs help with something. She's been dealing with her baby father for about 10 years now. And she used to want to get married, and she used to want this, that, and that. They do have a child. And she doesn't want to get married no more. She don't want to F him no more. She really don't want to do nothing with him anymore, she says. And she was like, she just wants my advice on that. I said, well, do y'all be, intimate, doing it? And she's like, not really. And I'm like, are you even attracted to him anymore? And she's like, not really. So here's my thing. I didn't get too in detail, like asking their love life or nothing like that. But I will say this. If you don't want to be with somebody anymore, don't be with them anymore. Listen, whether you got kids or not. Let me rephrase that. Okay. Just because you have kids doesn't mean you're supposed to be together. And doesn't mean that you have to stay together. And doesn't mean that you're going to be together forever. Do you get what I'm saying? Hold on. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Let me put my hair up. Because I need y'all to understand, right? Okay, my underarm is good. I wasn't sure. It's time to get real with Shay. You put your hair up like you about to fight. Okay, little bun. Okay. Just because you and the person have kids does not mean they are the ones that are supposed to guide you through life. So, prime example, she has been with this man for 10 years. Within them 10 years, they decided to have a baby, whether planned or not. Excuse me. Excuse me. Whether planned or not. Within that time, something happened where they just wasn't here anymore. And sometimes it be a child. I always tell people, do not have a child unless you and that person are like so in sync. Not even a child would fuck up y'all rhythm. Because no offense to the children, but it be fucking shit up between the parents, because now y'all have created this new human being that requires and needs so much. And he might want it this way, and then you might want it this way. And there's such a problem that y'all can't come back to this. because y'all have a child. So within that little relationship she's with, something went this way for her and maybe something went this way for him. You get what I'm saying? And when that happens, you try to stay together now for the child. And you try to make it work for the child. But sometimes, if you can't get back to here, but you can get like right here and be cordial, that works. But if you can't get back to here like completely and it's going to show in front of the child, let it go. You're actually hurting the child more by staying and faking it. And he can see like this is not real love than actually not being together. You might as well not be together and show them real love by yourselves. You get what I'm saying? It's almost like, it's crazy how many relationships don't work after a child is involved. Like, y'all were the happiest couple in the world, and then y'all had a baby and it changed the fuck everything. Like, it's crazy. It's crazy how good those noodles are. Oh my God. So sis, if you can't find that spunk between you and him and try to go back to that feeling you used to have in the beginning, and if you can't get that back, I don't know what to tell you. Oh, I will tell you, go to couples therapy. I always feel like sometimes when people say we're on a couples therapy, have those individuals done individual therapy first, because I always feel like people should do individual therapy first and then do couples therapy to even to like to seal it all the way. Because just because you go to couples therapy doesn't, the couple you could fix, what about the individual? You get what I'm saying? Like, what about that part? I don't know. I feel like you already have your answer. I feel like you want to get out, or yeah, I feel like you want to get out and you're just looking for that reason for somebody to solidify, like, yeah, I should. And it really is on you. Because I could sit here and tell you do A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. And you might just be like, well, I was talking about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You know what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, y'all got to do what y'all feel in y'all heart. And then sometimes, not even in your heart, what's smart? Because sometimes it ain't about love anymore. Like, real shit. It's not about love anymore. And I'm not trying to say that like in a mean way. But love is a contract too. Like, everything in life is a contract now. And I see shit so much differently now that I'm getting older. And I've been with my man for so long and we've been through so much shit. And it's like, if y'all was me and you went through what I went through, a lot of y'all would have been like, yeah, nope, not staying here. You know what I'm saying? I'm fucking moving on. I'm doing this and there. But I'm a very big person on like feels, vibes, type of shit. And it's a certain type of vibe and feel that I get with my man that I cannot explain, that even though it gets on my nerves, and even though, you know what I'm saying? And, you know, and a little bit of,
Rip them. We're going to take them and roll them around and rip them up to pieces. And then we're going to slaughter them.
but I still want to stay because there's something there that I just can't explain that is just right. Not even in the love type of feel, it's just certain things that just flow that I'd be like, nah, but he be right about this, or I need him for this, or he needs me for that, and he shows me this. It's like we're always able to grow from each other. And we're in a relationship where we both are open-minded to grow. And we try. We try. That's it. You have to be able to try. And the person that you're with too has to be able to try and be open to try with you. If you have a partner that can try and you always trying, you can't fail. Because you only fail by not trying at all. So it's trying. It's having the ability to try. Yeah. I did it. I solved the world's question. My highness really just kicked in. Listen, there's another thing right there. Shay Streets is job. It be on point. I be out doing myself. I ain't gonna lie. I be out doing myself. Just wanna let y'all know that. Period. So good. Try, guys. Try. 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 I'm trying. And not even trying to be funny, but I'm really trying. Like in every aspect of my life. I'm trying to talk to my kids more. I'm trying not to be so angry. I'm trying to stay fit. I'm trying to be consistent. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to be a good wife. I'm trying every day. I'm trying to do something. And it's tiring. Trust me, I know, y'all. I know. It's very tiring. But I'm trying. You know what I'm saying? And that's all that matters. Try not to die. So try. You know what I'm saying? So that's my advice to her. That's my advice to her. Is to try. I've been eating these noodles, y'all, for 3 years straight. And I've been trying to stop. And I'm still trying. I'm about to do a giveaway. I'm going to do a giveaway of the carbonara noodles. Because I need y'all to taste this goodness gracious. Because it's really good. Ooh. Wow. Crushed and crushed. That was really good. I thought that went through my nose. Excuse me. Wow. Excuse me. Oh. Oh. Excuse me. Topo Chico, you always do it to me. Yes, guys. So today, y'all, today's word of the week. Because y'all know I might not be back for another week. Today's word of the week is try. Today's video is sponsored by the word trying. Or try. Meaning, I will try to do better. I will try to take the garbage out. I am trying not to whoop your ass, kids. That's me talking to my kids. So, try, okay? That is the word of the week. Continue to try. And as long as you try, you will never die. Period. Period. I'm a damn prophet out here. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope I brought some awareness to your life today. And if I didn't, Hey, thanks for watching. You know, maybe you accidentally click on this channel. Excuse me. Woo! It's getting lifted time. Look at my eyes, they low. They low, I know, they low. That's Shay Streets for sure. Hey, 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 hey. It makes me do the wave. Hey. What is life? This. Person, place, or thing. A noun is a person, place, or thing. Person, place, or thing. A thing, can you try? Trying is a thing? No. So it's a verb. It's an action. Yeah. I'm getting a phone call. Hold, please. Shay Streets is the trees you need. Shay Streets is better than weed. Shay Streets. Shay Streets.